Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai, here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle. Welcome back to the virtual showroom. I must say, this is a 2020 Hyundai Kona preferred all-wheel drive. We are Kona crazy around here. We love stocking new and pre-owned Konas because they fly off the shelf. So we like to do these walk-around videos so we're completely transparent. So as you can see, this one's in very nice shape. And you've already probably seen the kilometers, so you know exactly why this one's in such nice shape. And we were able to get our hands on some chalk white ones, so I'm so happy to bring them in. So you get a preferred package, you get a ton of cool features, you get the upgraded alloy wheel, obviously the kilometers, lots of meaty tires, you got turn signal indicators on the mirrors, you got really cool fog lights in the front, a little scoop in the middle there, makes it a little bit more sporty. So we're going to show you the trunk real quick. I'd like to show you the roof as well. So you can see there's no scratches, dents, or dings. So again, transparency is key when you're doing these walk-around videos, and we don't want you to miss anything. So here is your trunk. The mats are back here. This just came out of the detail department, so I'll move those to show you the full size of the trunk. You've got 60/40 split folding rear seats. You got 3 anchors, so up to ability to put 3 child anchors. You've got this privacy cover here, which can be removed. You just take these levers, fold them off, take that off, and you get some additional cargo space. So if you need all the additional cargo space, take the privacy cover out, fold the seats down flat, and you definitely have a little bit more room for a home project. Your spares down here. Hopefully you never have to use it, but if you do, this vehicle comes with plenty of roadside assistance, so you can always call the tow truck, have them change your tire. So we'll show you the rear. Seats are in nice shape. Obviously, I don't think anyone's ever sat in the back. You got a little bit cup holders right here, so you can turn this 5-passenger into a 4-passenger. Room for some drinks, which is always handy. Move up front now. So this one comes with proximity key, push button start. You hit this once, it'll unlock the driver's door. Hit it twice, unlocks all the doors. Hit it once you shut the vehicle off, it will lock all your doors. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You've got locking rear windows, which is a great safety feature when you have the kids in there. Adjustable driver's seat. You've got lane departure warning. You can adjust your interior illumination. You've also the ability to turn your traction control off if you need to. So as we jump in, push button start. Here we go.
A guy in Staten Island, New York.
Nice leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your Bluetooth hands-free calling on the left-hand side, your cruise control, and your information center right here, so you can toggle through and adjust the settings to your liking. Cruise control, everything right here at the tips of the driver. Some of my favorite features: heated seats, 3-stage on both sides. You've got downhill brake assist control, and my favorite feature, heated steering wheel. I don't care, winter or summer, it is definitely my favorite feature. Drive mode. So again, you can drive in sport, normal, or eco mode. So again, some different ways to drive the vehicle. That's all preference. So we definitely advise our clients to toggle through that and see which one works best for you. You can lock your 4-wheel drive for one of those really snowy winter days. You got all your auxiliaries and inputs down there. Temperature controls, really easy to use, really functional. Defrost, air conditioning, very simplistic, and that's what I love about these vehicles. You move up, here's your infotainment center, as I like to call it. You got your radio, you got your backup camera, you got your Bluetooth, and you also have Apple CarPlay and Android audio capabilities. So the nice part is you plug your phone in, not only do you have access to your music, access to your apps, you also have access to navigation and traffic reports, anything like that. So if you're going out of town, great feature. Don't have to jump up to the top, don't have to worry about buying a GPS. It's all there if you need it. And 1,869 kilometers, 1,869 kilometers. With warranty up to 100,000 kilometers, these Konas are a hit. We love them, and we love to stock as many as we can. So again, I want to thank you for joining us in the virtual showroom today. You've just seen a 2020 Hyundai Kona preferred all-wheel drive. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us, and we'll be sure to help you out. Thank you.